Hi, you've probably heard some version of eat 30 different plants a week for gut health. Today I want to explain where that actually comes from and what it realistically looks like for a family with kids. This comes out of a large gut microbiome research project that looked at thousands of people's diets and gut bacteria together. People who ate around 30 different plant foods across a week had noticeably more diverse gut bacteria than people who ate fewer than 10. That research was done in adults, but the underlying logic, so more plant variety equals more bacterial diversity, almost certainly carries over to kids. So why does this matter more than clean eating? Different bacteria thrive on different types of fiber from different plants. A bean feeds different bacteria than a carrot, which feeds different bacteria than oats. So the goal isn't avoiding bad foods, it's stacking up enough different plant types then a wide range of bacteria all have something to work with. That's a completely different mindset than restriction. Now let's see what actually counts as different. The part that makes 30 sound impossible is more generous than people think. Herbs and spices count. Basil, garlic, cinnamon. Different colors of the same fruit don't always count as different. One apple type is one plant, but different types do, so two different types of apple count as two. Different fruits count as different too, obviously. So apple, banana, berries, orange, that's four. Frozen vegetables count too. Beans and lentils each count separately. By the end of a normal week of a varied family meals, most households are already closer to 15 to 20 than they think. So let's see what is the realistic way to actually do this with kids. Once a week, add just one or two plant foods your family doesn't normally buy. A different bean in the chili, for example. A new fruit at snack time instead of the usual banana. Maybe a handful of frozen peas mixed into rice. So over a month, that's 4 or 5 new plant foods added with almost no extra effort. And that's how real households build variety, not by hitting 30 in a single day. The goal isn't a perfect tracked number, it's a general habit of reaching for something a little different regularly instead of the same 5 safe foods on repeat. If this gave you a new way to think about meals, subscribe. And grab my family health guide linked below for the bigger picture on raising healthier kids. Thanks for checking out the video and I'll talk to you soon.